God bless you everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work with the B13. So I just got out of work, and today's plan is to adjust the tune on my Sentra. I hope all of you being safe. Make sure you guys wash your hands, take care please. So let me show you. Alright, so here we have my ECU. Actually, I just removed the trim cover, and here we have the wiring for the FIC6. So you guys know it's a Piggyback and actually relies on the stock ECU. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the bypass harness and connect it to the FIC, which is actually right there. If you see close, there is a stock ECU, and above is actually the FIC. So let's connect this right now. Alright, so 15 minutes later, and I have everything connected. Now let's go to the computer. Alright, so here we have the FIC6 software, and right now I already made the base map real quick. I just opened it and set up everything. So I went to setup and calibration. I set up my TPS, and also I set up my RPM. I mean, for some reason doesn't want to open, I don't know, but I just went to calibrations, and here you guys will see the small tab. And basically I went to setup system, set up things over here real quick, and I'm not gonna go into detail, but what I did, I actually add about 5% of fuel on the whole base map. Right now we have here 0, which is my RPM, all the way to 7100. My red line on this car is 7000, so that's why I set up to 71. And here, since we running on absolute pressure, 14.7 is actually the atmospheric pressure. So for 14 down will be vacuum, and from 15 up all the way to 21 will be boost. Since we're running all motor, this shouldn't matter, but right now I just add about 5% all over across into the fuel map, and we're gonna try to go for a drive and maybe see what this thing can do. So let's go. Like, you know, I'm not looking for performance at the moment. I just want the car to actually drive safe, because it's leaning out in a couple spots, so that's why I'm doing this. So let's go. So the car is breaking up in some areas, which I don't understand why, because everything's set up at 5% all over the place. Meanwhile, before I wasn't doing that, but I'm gonna take a look later on. Yeah, right now we're just cruising about 45 miles. Fourth gear, about 25,000 RPM.
following day.
Yeah, this happened. Just another flat. What a luck I have. So yeah, this ruins the video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. At least I show you a little bit of the AEM software and at least a ride on the car. Unfortunately we couldn't do a little more because of the flat that I got, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you all and have a nice day.